Hi, I'm Logan Greenwood with McNaughton-McKay. Today you'll be learning about Advisor, a cloud-based tool by Rockwell Automation. Hi, and welcome to this overview of Rockwell Automation's new cloud-based product selection, configuration, and system design tool called Advisor. First, I'll be showing you how to navigate to Advisor as of fall of 2024. First, you'll want to go to ab.com, then select Resources in the top right, and scroll down until you find Advisor in the Product Configuration and Selection tab. Then click Get Started. As you can see, we have a few options on the home page. First, the product catalog, which allows us to narrow down a product family based on your needs. Next, the System Designers tab, which we will touch on briefly later, and the Projects tab, which we will also touch on a bit later. If we scroll down, we can see a broad view of the products that Rockwell Automation has to offer. If we want, for example, a VFD low voltage drive, it will prompt us to select which family of drive that we want. If we want a list of drives that are available in this family, we can simply click on the drive and see all the different options. From here, you can scroll to see your different options or use the various filtering options on the left-hand side, which will help us find our desired product. For example, here, I'm selecting a current range, which will narrow us down to the drive that we want. Also here, we can see the labels on the products. We see best-selling and in stock. This will help provide information to us about the products, telling us whether or not this product will arrive sooner if it's in stock and whether or not it sells a lot if it's best-selling. Alternatively, you can configure the drive and get a precise part number similar to Proposal Works. And we'll go back to the home to show this. We'll go back to the low voltage drives and we'll click Configure instead of clicking on the drive. And we'll go ahead and just select the specs that we want. And as you can see, there's a configured part number for the drive that we want based on the specs that we chose. There's also several accessories that can be used with this product and that are recommended below as well. Next, I will show you how to use the search bar. If you're not sure exactly which product you need, you can do a broad search. For example, for a drive, maybe a 5 horsepower drive. As you can see, it populates a bunch of different family of 5 horsepower drives. And you can use this to select between the various options and use it like a storefront similar to Amazon. Alternatively, you can search complete catalog strings if that is something that you desire. If you know exactly what part you want, you can type in, like here, 800 FP-F2, and it will populate with the exact product. And here is the product that we searched. As you can see, it won't let us add this product to the project because I haven't created one first. Available on most screens is this Create Project button if you haven't created one yet. And if you click Create Project, it will allow you to add this product to your BOM or your list of materials. So a project is more or less a list of materials for you to add these products to. So here's me creating a project that I will then add this product to. If you have multiple projects, you can switch between them. Right now, I'm just viewing the testing project, but you can create more than one and have multiple lists or multiple bill of materials. Lastly, I want to briefly show you the System Designers tab. Here you can design systems such as PLC chassis, MCCs, and packaged drives. Each of these will allow you to configure the system based on the requirements set by you. I won't go into too much depth on each, but I'll show the PLC configuration, which is similar to Rockwell's software called Integrated Architecture Builder. So as you can see here, I'm specifying how many digital inputs I want, and ultimately it will spit me out a part number that is useful and that I can order based on the hardware specifications that I've chosen. It's requiring me to select the industry here, and boom, there's our entire PLC configuration based off of the specifications that we chose. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions, please contact your local sales representative or contact us online.